Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and use the Futuri MotionTech ÖTX controller. With this controller you are able to configure your rebound and compression settings on any electronically controlled Öhlins TTX rear shock or front fork. All packaged within this very small, amazing clear case that fits in, as you can see, in the palm of your hand. Maybe even giving off that 90s GameBoy vibe. It's currently mounted on my Ducati Desmoto project, just to show everybody how the ÖTX controller works. You can mount the controller on the bike using the mounting lip on top of the case, as you can see here, using an M6 bolt, or for example using some Velcro on the back of the case. Before using the ÖTX controller, you first need to install the power and suspension motor cables. Make sure you install the right power cable to a switched 12-volt power source on your bike. If you have no experience in electronics, please just request the help of a friend or a motorcycle workshop. Also, install and route the suspension motor cables. As you can see here, those are this one, rebound and compression, and they go to the rear shock or to the front fork. Connecting the marked R cable to rebound and the marked C cable to compression. When we power on the ÖTX controller, you get greeted by some intro screens that also show you the software and hardware version of the controller. This can be important for future software or hardware revisions. Currently I'm showing you hardware version 2.1 and software version 1.3. After installing and powering on the ÖTX controller, it is time to first set it up with your suspension. There's a specific reset procedure that you need to follow to make sure the controller and the suspension are paired to each other correctly. So when connecting a new suspension part to the ÖTX controller, or after having removed the suspension motor cables, so rebound or compression, it is important to always follow this reset procedure. So to do that, after the unit has started up for the first time, you press the left and the right button exactly at the same time. And then a LED starts flashing within the housing of the case. After that, the unit restarts and it starts a specific pairing procedure, making sure the suspension is in the right setting. And after that's done, the unit is back at its normal home screen. While it's doing this procedure, you can also hear the engines or the motors, suspension motors making some noise. On the left you can see the current rebound setting, and on the right the current compression setting. For example, if we now want to change the rebound click setting, you just press the left button for a few seconds and then the left click number starts blinking. If we now want to change this, if we want to increase the click setting, we can press on the button to the right. So we press it multiple times and it moves it up. If you want to decrease that click setting, we press the button to the left. However, if we want to increase it faster, you can double click and it automatically increases it by 10 instead of single click 1. Same with decreasing the click setting. Okay, so let's just say for rebound we want 35 clicks and we want to save this setting. We're going to hold the left button for rebound and now it's saved. And the suspension is set on 35 clicks specifically for rebound. The same goes for compression. To do that, we just hold the right button pressed till it starts blinking. And we want to increase that, for example, to, let's just say, 50 clicks. So we go like this. And now it's set to 50 clicks on compression. Keep the button pressed and now it has saved that specific setting. The ÖTX controller has a click range of 99, so we can go all the way up to 99 clicks. And that's way more than, for example, if you do the manual conversion of these shocks, that only gives you 15 clicks. So you have way more control over your suspension settings with this. But there is more. Say for example you want to quickly change your whole suspension settings. So where it sets at 35.99 right now, it started raining and I want different suspension settings, I can use the left and the right button to change the preset. It has 3 presets built in that you can manually set. So for example, I want to set my preset 3 to, let's just say, compression 11, and my rebound to, let's just say, 22. All right. Now the suspension is set to this setting in preset 3. If I want to change to preset 1 immediately, I just press the right button and it automatically changes the whole suspension to 35 clicks on rebound and 99 clicks on compression. And this way you can quickly change your suspension settings for a front fork or a shock on your bike if you want to. In a nutshell, this is all the ÖTX controller can do. Very easy to use, easy to set up, and it also looks really cool with a transparent case, of course. So if you have any questions, please get in touch and I will get you sorted. Thanks, guys.